Hello, good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Today, I am going to start a video lecture series for all my different students. This particular series is for a student of class 11th psychology. This is Dr. Rana Mujib, Department of Psychology from Marwadi College. Today, in this video, I shall cover stages of development. Stages of human development. Development is commonly described in terms of period or stages. Human life proceeds through different stages. For example, you are at present in the stage of adolescence, and after a few years you will enter adulthood stages. Okay, and now development stages are assumed to be temporary and are often characterized by the dominant feature or a leading characteristics, which gives each period its uniquenesses. During a particular stage, individual progress towards an assumed goal, a state of ability that she or he must achieve in the same order as other persons before progressing to the next stages in the sequence. Already we have read earlier in this chapter that the blueprint provides genes direct physical development in a predictable sequence. It is assumed that psychological development progress parallel to the individual's lifetime biological development. Let us consider the different processes that underline and explain psychological development of an individual during the different stages of development from pre-natal period to old age. प्री-नेटल पीरियड से लेकर ओल्ड एज तक के डेवलपमेंट को हम लोग आज देखेंगे कि किस किस एज में कौन कौन सी एक्टिविटीज़ बच्चा सीखता है। सबसे पहले हम लोग इसको दो पार्ट्स में बांटते हैं, प्री नेटल पीरियड एंड आफ्टर नेटल पीरियड। ओके, फर्स्ट इज मेजर चेंजेस इन ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट फ्रॉम कंसेप्शन टू बर्थ। वी आर सेइंग पीरियड, एज एंड चेंजेस। फर्स्ट, जर्मिनल पीरियड 0 to 2 weeks. Rapid cell division. Ovum attaches to uterine wall, inner and outermost form. Embryonic period 2 to 8 weeks. Changes, human form takes shape. Internal organs begin to develop. Placenta and amnion form. Umbilical cord. Fetal period 8 to 37 weeks. Growth and change to sustain independent life. Activity, movement. Third month 12 weeks. Head growth, facial features. Fourth month 16 weeks. Reflexes becomes brisker. Growth, support in lower part of body. Mother feels movement. Fifth is 21 weeks. Changes, skin structures form. Fetus has characteristics life. 6 months period 26 weeks. Eyes, eyelids formed. Fine layer or of hair on head, grabs reflex, irregular breathing. 7th month, 30 weeks, age of availability, 8 months, 30 weeks, rapid weight development, fatty tissues develop. 8, 9 months, last month, fatty tissues develop, organ system activity increases, etc. Heart, kidneys. यहाँ पे क्या है, फेटल पीरियड 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8 and 9 आता है. ओके. And next, after born new baby, description of different stages in the life span. Development stages, parental period first, age range conception to birth. Involves tremendous growth. A single cell becomes a complete organism with a brain and behavioral capabilities in a period of approximately 9 months. Infancy stages, birth to 18 to 24 months. Beginning of many psychological activities such as language, symbolic thought, sensory motor coordination and social learning. Early childhood 2 years to 5 years or 6 years. This period is sometimes called the preschool years. Okay, this period is sometimes called the preschool years. Children learn to become more self-sufficient, develop school readiness, skill. They begin to follow instructions, identify letters, etc., and spend time in play with peers. And now middle and late childhood, 6 to 11 years. It comes 6 to 11 years. It is sometimes called the elementary school years. The child masters fundamental skills of reading, writing, and arithmetic. Self-control in children increases and achievement becomes an important part of the child's world. And now adolescence, 12 years to 20 or 22 years. Adolescence begins with rapid physical changes, gains in height and weight, changes in body contour, and the development of sexual characteristics. During this stage of development, the pursuit of independence and personal identity are prominent. Thought processes become more logical, abstract, and idealistic. And now early childhood, 20 to 30 years. It is a time of establishing personal and economic independence, career development, selecting a partner, starting a family, and rearing children. Middle adulthood, 35 to 55 years. It is a time of expanding personal and social involvement and responsibility of assisting the next generation in becoming competent and mature, and of reaching and maintaining satisfaction in one's career. And last stages, late adulthood, 60 to 70 years to death. It is a time of adjustment to decreasing strength and health, retirement and adjustment to new social roles. Okay, and in short, life stages: infancy, birth to 1 year, early childhood 1 to 6 years, late childhood 6 to 12 years, adolescence 12 to 20 years, early adulthood 20 to 40 years, middle adulthood 40 to 65 years, एंड लास्ट अब हम लोग देखते हैं इन्फेंसी. एज, बर्थ टू 1 year old, dramatic and rapid changes, physical development, mental development, emotional development, social development. Infants are dependent on others for all of their needs. Early childhood, a toddler, 1 year old, transfer objects from hand to hand. 2 years old can hold a crayon and color vertical strokes, turn the page of a book, build a tower of 6 blocks. 3 years old copy a circle and a cross built using small blocks. Okay, and now middle and late childhood, 6 to 12 years, physical development, growth and body changes. Children grow more slowly, weight 5 or 6 pounds, height 2 inches per year. Similar growth pattern, boys versus girls. Body proportion thinner and slimmer. Muscles become bigger and stronger. Lung capacity gives greater endurance and speed. Late childhood, 6 to 11 or 12 years. During this stage, physical and mental skills improve. At 6 to 8 years, the school age child rides a bicycle, runs, jumps, climbs, and hops, has improved eye-hand coordination, print word and learn cursive writing, can brush and comb hair. Adolescence, 12 to 20 years old, physical development, mental development, emotional development, social development. Adolescents need reassurance, support, and understanding. Early adulthood, age 20 to 40 years old, physical, mental, emotional, and social development. Middle adulthood or middle age, 40 to 65 years of age, physical development, mental development, emotional development, and social development. Last, late adulthood, 60 to 70 years to death. It is a time of adjustment to decreasing strength and health, retirement, and adjustment to new social roles. Okay, and now we can see summary. Death is a part of life. Healthcare workers must understand death and dying process and think about needs of dying patients. Then healthcare workers will be able to provide the special care that individuals need. So that we have learned that physical growth and abilities follow a genetically based timetable. Prenatal development is divided into three main periods: germinal, embryonic, and fetal. After birth, early physical growth is extensive and rapid. The main developmental tasks of early adult years are choosing a career, marriage, parenthood, and raising a family. Middle adulthood is the time of midlife transition. During this stage, people address concerns about themselves, their work, and their relationships to other people, adapt to physical changes taking place, and change in cognitive abilities. Among the major changes that occur during old age are physical and cognitive changes. Retirement and death of a spouse, creativity and productivity are characteristics of many adults during later adulthood. Death is perceived as the end of life. Okay, thank you.